Oh, my laptop is so slow. Time for a new one, right? Sounds familiar? Okay, maybe you're not throwing your laptop across the room, but let's be real. Dumping it in a landfill or letting it get dust in your basement is no battery. But what if I told you that there is a better, more sustainable option? Your IT asset can actually be sent back to the manufacturer, where its condition can be tracked and repaired, and sometimes even given a new life, like this. Are you surprised? All this is thanks to IoT and reverse logistics. These two are changing the game, turning your used assets into something valuable again. You want to dig deeper into how this works? Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, so you never miss out on the latest tech tips. Trust me, you'll want to stick around.